How to find the saved draft on Facebook? For that, you simply need to open the Facebook application, then tap on what's on your mind on the top of the screen, and here you can write anything. And after you have created a draft, come back again, and here you can see the option of save as draft. Tap on it, and now you will be notified by Facebook. Here you can see the notification, so simply tap on this notification, and here you can see the list of unpublished draft. You can either tap on it and you can post it, or if you don't like to post, then you can tap on three dotted line and tap on discard draft, and now tap on delete. So the draft will be discarded after 3 days. So if you would like to publish it, you can publish it, otherwise it will be discarded. So this way you can easily find the saved draft on Facebook. I hope this video was useful for you. Hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching.